Hi, to hard reset your Xiaomi 13 via recovery mode, we need to turn it off first. For that, hold power and volume up buttons till you see this menu appears on the screen, and now we need to swipe up to power off the device. And when it will be completely turned off, we need to enter recovery mode. And for that, hold again power and volume up buttons till you see Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, and then you can release only power button but continue holding volume up like that. And now we are in a recovery mode, so if you want to perform factory reset, you would need to select second option wipe data, and to go through the menu just use volume down and volume up buttons like this. To confirm your choice, press the power button. And here we need to select wipe all data, confirm, and here confirm that this action cannot be undone. And now data wiped successfully, so we need to go back to main menu, we got no other options, and then select to reboot the phone and reboot to system. After that, your phone will turn off, and just in a couple of seconds it will turn on again. Just all of the information on your phone will be deleted and you will need to set it up again. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.